Good day, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is another weekend for our weekly analysis where we talk about what I expect of the market the previous week and what actually comes to fruition. So, without wasting much of our time, we will dive straight into today's business. So, what do we expect last week and what actually happens? What actually happens? So, we'll start with our bellwether, which is the dollar index. So these are dollar index. As of last week, I was interested in the market price visiting a very low hanging fruit level, which is the 103 big figure, 103.500. Sorry. On dollar index, I was interested in the market price going above 103 big figure and trading into 103,500 thereabouts. So I pointed out this volume imbalance and a liquidity void. So I said the market price should visit that level and found its way into the consequence encroachment of the volume imbalance and liquidity void. If the market price should stay below the consequence encroachment of that level, then we should see a drop. Do we see a drop? We definitely see the drop. We definitely saw the drop. So we saw this level being taken, this low here being taken. That is the low around 100.203. Yeah, that was the low, and we saw this low also being taken. The I think the low, yes, this low here, we saw this low being taken as well. So this level has been taken and this level has been taken. Now, the coming week, how will I react to this? The coming week, I'll be watching the market price gravitating back into 100, gravitating back into the 100 level, at least 100.500. So the lowest hanging fruit I'll be watching is the market price gravitating into 100.500. The lowest hanging fruit I'll be watching, and this level here, this weekly buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency will be my target. If the market price stays below the consequent encroachment of that level, that means the half of that level, then I'll still be interested in going lower on dollar index. If the consequent encroachment of the weekly buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, if it serves as a resistance to the price, then I'll be watching the market price dropping further into 97, 96, or 95. But before then, I'll be watching 100.500. But if the market price finds its way above the consequence encroachment of the CB or of the BC, of the weekly BC, then I will be watching the market price going back into this volume imbalance. There is no two ways about it. So let's forge ahead. Let's go to our GBP USD, which is our cable. Cable last week looking for a low hanging fruit. A low hanging fruit. I was interested in the market price visiting 1.28 thousand. I was expecting the market price delivering 1.28 thousand. So 1.28 thousand has been taken as well. 1.28 thousand has been taken. So the moment 1.28 thousand has been taken, 1.28 thousand has been taken. The moment 1.28 thousand has been taken, what else? How else will I look at the markets? The coming week, I'll be watching if the market price, what the strength has, the strength of the market price. Network, why? So the coming week on cable, I'll be watching what the market price will do around this level here. Maybe we should revisit 1.28 thousand. You should work towards 1.28 thousand. As long as this high remains open, if the eye of this candle that comes in around 1.32072, as long as that eye remains untouched, 1.32072, as long as that eye remains open, then I'll be interested in the market price revisiting 1.29 thousand, 1.28 thousand as well. So I'll be interested in 1.29 thousand and 1.28 thousand as well, as long as that eye is left open. But the moment we attack that eye, then I'll be going for 1.33 thousand. If that eye is being taken, then I'll be going for 1.33 thousand. Then we go to our Euro USD, which is our fiber. Last week on fiber, I was interested in the market price visiting 1.08 thousand, 1.0, yes, 1.08 thousand, or we should find our movement above 1.120. So I was interested in the market price visiting this BC, this weekly CB here, this weekly CB here, sorry. But I was watching what the market price would do around 1.08 thousand. So the market price was short of some movement into 1.08 thousand before going, before moving further. Now on Euro USD, what will I do? How do I attack? What should I say? How do I react? My reaction on Euro USD will be, I'll be expecting the market price revisiting this weekly CB here. This weekly CB here. We've seen 1.12757 taken because that level has been on the radar for a while as well. So the moment that level has been taken, then I expect the market price to revisit 1.11,000. So I'm watching, is the market price interested to revisit 1.11,000? So the coming week, that is what I'll be watching. Is the market price interested in revisiting 1.11,000? That is a movement towards this yellow shaded area. Weekly CB. That level was gotten from the weekly time frame. So 1.11,000 or 1.10,000. So when the market opens, I decide. So we go to our S&P 500. I don't want this thing to be lengthy. S&P 500 last week, I was interested in the market price giving us a movement into 54,000. Yes, I was interested in the market price giving us 54,000. So the market price is approaching. If we are going bullish, we'll be approaching 54,000. And I was interested in 49.24 for the downside. So we are approaching the 54,000 because 49.24 has been taken. 49.24 has been traded into, and we are finding our way. So let me be more clear. We have taken this low, we have taken this low. Then the market price is gravitating towards this level. Let me bring it out. So 5400, yes, 5400 has been taken as well. 6400 has been taken. So I'll be watching the market price. The lowest angry fruit will be around this void here, this liquidity void here. That's around 5500 or thereabouts. So the coming week, I'll be expecting the market price trading into this level, and I don't want this. So the coming week, I'll be expecting the market price to gravitate into that yellow shaded area. So I'll be expecting the market price. I'll be watching the market price going into this. So that will be around 5500. Yes, 5500. Then let's go to our Dow futures. Sorry. Dow future last week, I was interested in the market price reacting towards 37,211. 37,211, and we should see 40,000. So both 37,411 and 40,000, both level has been visited. Market price has taken those level. Why? What is wrong with my network? So the coming week I'll be watching the market price visiting 41,000. The lowest hanging fruit will be 41,000. So let's go to our Nasdaq. Nasdaq last week I was interested in the market price visiting 16,960. Then we should see 19,000 coming in play. So we've seen 16,960. 16,960 has been taken. Those level has been taken. No video was deleted, and none will ever be deleted. So 19,000 has been addressed. So the next level I will be watching will be 19,500. Yes, 19,500 and towards 20,000. So the lowest target fruit will be 19,500 and 20,000. That is on what? On Nasdaq. So we should go to gold. I'm crystal clear on gold. Being interested in being bullish. I said I'll be watching I'll watch it 3,000. If the market remains above 3,000, then we are still bullish. So if the market stays above 3,000, we are still bullish. We've seen 3,200 being visited. So the coming week, I'll be watching how the market price will found support around 3,100. So I'm expecting 3,100 to serve as a support to the price that will take us into 3,400. If the market price stays above 3,100, then we should see 3,400 very soon. So now we should go to our BTC. On BTC, I was interested in 76,000. 76,000. I was interested in 81, 81, 80, 78, and 76. All this level has been taken. We've seen 76,000 being attacked. So I think we'll be watching 88,000 be taken very soon. So the lowest hanging fruit will be 88,000 to 90,000 on BTC. So as this junction, I'll be calling this a day. Thank you for coming this far with us. Thank you for being part of the family. We really love and appreciate you guys. And a warm welcome to our YouTube, our new subscribers. Thank you for being part of the family. So a quick disclaimer before I leave. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything in this video is for educational purpose alone. So the fact that I put my money behind it does not mean you should do the same thing. Trading the forex market comes with a lot of risk, and you should know your risk appetite before venturing into the market. Because what the social media portrays today tells you that trading the forex market is a get rich quick scheme, which is a lie. But sticking with the forex market with the right knowledge, it is a must in capital letter, a must get rich scheme. So get the right knowledge, trade the market price the right way, and you find yourself above, on top of the world. So thank you once again. Trade responsibly and be safe. Bye for now.